Hello class, my name is Jeremiah Cledis Adam. Today we are going to have some tutorials in mathematics. We are going to solve questions found in internal and external examination. So the question says, a plane flies 90 kilometer on a bearing 30 degrees and then flies 150 kilometer due east. How far east of the starting point is the plane? Okay, solution. A plane flies 90 kilometer on a bearing. Okay, this is it. A plane flies 90 kilometer on a bearing of what? 30 degrees. Okay, assuming here is 30 degrees, it flies what? 90 kilometer. Okay, 90 kilometer on a bearing of what? 30 degrees, and then flies 150 kilometer due east. Flies 150 kilometer due east. How far east of the starting point is the plane? Okay, we can sketch it. So I have sketched it now. So here is 30 degrees, here is 90 kilometer. Okay, are you getting me now? So this is what we have, and here is x, and here is what? Y axis, x axis. So this one is the same thing as this. It's the same thing as this. 150 kilometer. This is 30 degrees. Here is what? 90 kilometer. Then this is the sketching. Here is y, and here is what? X. So now we are asked what? Find how far east of the starting point is the plane. How far east of the starting point is the plane. So we are in what we are asked to find is from here to here. What's the total distance from here, from this point to this point? So but before we do that, we need to calculate this distance. Then when we found out this distance, we can add it up to what? 150 kilometer. So what can we do now? Okay, let's bring out this. We don't need this. We have this now. This is the degrees, 30 degrees, and here is what? X, and here is what? 90 kilometer. So now, having seen this, what formula can we apply here? Okay, we have opposite over hypotenuse. Now this is 30 degrees, and x is what? Opposite of what? 30 degrees. Opposite over what? This is what? Hypotenuse, right? This. So it's what? X all over what? 90. Opposite over hypotenuse. Now, using SOHCAHTOA, you're going to agree with me. Since we have opposite over hypotenuse, we are going to use sine. Are you getting me now? So we have sine 30 is equals to x all over what? 90 degrees. X all over 90 degrees. So what are we going to have now? We can balance it with 1. So x times 1 is what? X, which is equals to sine 30 multiplied by 90. Sine 30 multiplied by 90. So it's the same as x equals to 90 multiplied by sine 30. So when you do that correctly, 90 multiplied by sine 30 is what? Is 45. Is 45. So x equals to what? 45 kilometers. So what does that mean? What that means is that now the distance from here, from this point to this point, is what? 45 degrees. Now we can find the total distance, that is the distance from the starting point. How far east of the starting point is the plane? So that means we are going to add this and this here. We are going to add this and this and this. We are going to add it to get the total distance. So how can we do that? The distance the distance now is equals to this point is what, 150 kilometers. 150 kilometers plus this one, x. Now we found x as what, 45 kilometers. So we have plus 45 kilometers. So distance now is equals to 150 plus 45 is what, 195 kilometers. So this is now how far east is the starting point of the plane. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not done that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you are going